students, very good news to all of you. Now CBSE has finally announced the revised syllabus. He has given the revised syllabus and almost 30% of syllabus has been eliminated for the session 2020-21. So today I am here to discuss that what the syllabus of revised syllabus of class 10th science. So let's take the discussion on it. So first of all, we have a total, that is the CBSE. If you want to go through the site, you can go to the cbseinc.in, and there you will get the examination and syllabus. You will easily found the syllabus there. Now the pattern of the examination is same, that the 80 plus 20 marks, that same pattern. 20 that you will get from your internal, from your school, and that is for internal assessment, which consists of your periodic test and portfolios and files, and 80 marks is your theoretical paper. So here we are going to discuss that how much syllabus get eliminated, what are the topics they eliminated. So the discussion is very important because we have to prepare according to it. So let's see what is the syllabus, revised syllabus for 2020 and 21. So chemical reaction. So here you will found that there is no any change in this chapter. No any topic is eliminated. There is no any change. So chemical reaction, total topic is there. Acid, bases and salt, no change. There is no change in the acid, bases and salt. All the topics that earlier, that the topic in the acid base, same the topic in this time also. Metal and non-metals. Here the basic metallurgical process and corrosions prevention, only this topic get eliminated. Rest of the topic is present in the metal and non-metal. Only this basic metallurgical process get eliminated. Now carbon and its compound. Here carbon and its compound is very huge chapter and very important chapter, but CBSE has reduced this chapter. Lots of topic gets reduced. Only they focused on covalent bonding in carbon compounds, nature of carbon and homologous series. This is only the topic that you are going to study in this revised syllabus. So only covalent bonding in carbon compounds and nature of carbon and homologous series. Only that much of topic is there, and the rest are eliminated. Periodic classification, there is no change in the periodic classification topic. Everything is same as earlier. Life process, no change. In the life process, basic transpiration, digestion, excretion, what the basic topic is that? Same as, there is no change in the life process. No change in the life process, same topic. Control and coordination, yes, it's a huge part. Control and coordination, very important chapter, but it get eliminated. This chapter is now eliminated. This chapter is not coming, eliminated from this revised syllabus. Next one is reproduction. There is no change in the reproduction. Same, the same topics are earlier. That is the same present in this revised syllabus also. Hereditary. In hereditary, all the topics are same as earlier. Only the basic concept of evolution is not coming. Basic concept of evolution is not coming. It's eliminated from the revised syllabus. Our next one is light. Light, there is no change. All reflection, refraction, laws of reflection, the ray diagrams, everything is same. There is no any change in the light chapter. Human eye and colorful world. Yes, here there is a reduction in the topic. Basically, they focused on only the spectrum, dispersion, scattering of light and its applications are included. And the function of human eye, defects and corrections are eliminated. These are eliminated. Only spectrum, dispersion, scattering of light and its application is included in this revised syllabus. Next one is your effect of current and magnetic field. Almost everything is there. No more topics are lots of topics are eliminated. Only the electric generator, direct current, alternating current, domestic uses of electric circuits, these topics get eliminated. Next, in last unit that we have, our environment chapter is coming. Only we have three chapters in the last, that is our environment, sources of energy and management of resources. So only our environment chapter is included and rest are eliminated, and they are only for the internal assessment. They are only for the internal assessment. It means that will be assessed by your teachers through the any write-up or any portfolio formation. So basically this is the sources of energy and management of resources get eliminated. So this is all about the syllabus, science syllabus. 30% of syllabus get reduced, so it's a great relaxation for the students, because the condition is very the pandemic, we all are suffering from this condition. So it's a great relaxation, and according to my point of view, it's a good decision of MHRD that they reduce the syllabus, and it's a good for students. But for the competitive point of view, it's little bit, because in the competitions lots of chapters are topics are covered. So but for this session it's a good thing that student will get the benefit. So thank you so much. This is all about your revised syllabus of class 10th science.